Good morning everyone. This is Yashokananda from Tessia once again before you all for the purpose of showing a special video regarding all of you who want to speak English very well. Today I am going to discuss about spoken English. Spoken English is the integral part of our language, and no English, no life. And no English means no life. यदि आप इंग्लिश को जानते हैं तो जीवन को जानते हैं, यदि आप इंग्लिश को नहीं जानते हैं तो जीवन को नहीं जानते. Because English is like an oxygen for all of us, प्राण वायु. So let us begin the topic. Today Thursday, July 2, 2020. English. It is merely a language like Hindi. English is a status symbol in our society. It is very important in our education and job. English was initially the mother tongue of Britain. Nowadays, it is the language of the world. So let us try to understand. It is merely a language like Hindi. English कुछ नहीं है, बिल्कुल हिंदी के समान एक भाषा है, महज एक भाषा है. And nothing more than this. English is a status symbol in our society. English आज के समय में हमारे लिए एक रुतबा का प्रतीक माना जाता है हमारे समाज में. देखिए, कहीं भी जाइए, अगर आप इंग्लिश बोल पाते हैं तो आपको एक अलग ही दृष्टिकोण से देखा जाता है, और अगर आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते तो एक हेय दृष्टिकोण से देखा जाता है. इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स बच्चे को होने लगता है. I also suffered a lot in my childhood. It is very important in our education and job. हाँ, इंग्लिश आप देखिए तो after matriculation all the books are in English language, either of the science, commerce or arts. Everywhere you can see English, and all the professional courses are also available in English. That's why English plays a vital role in our surroundings. It is essential for engineering and medical sector, for the purpose of education, and also in chartered accountant section and everywhere like BSc, IT and so on. And regarding job, of course, in case of job in the board of the sector like government sector as well as the private sector, English is essential. Take the case of the private sector like call center executive, like MR, like any private tutors. English is essential for them. On the other hand, in the government sector, everywhere so many entrance examination, debates and group discussions are prevalent. And there you can't survive. If you do not know how to speak English, you will never pass the entrance examination. English was initially the mother tongue of Britain. Nowadays, it is the language of the world. शुरुआती दौर में तो इंग्लिश केवल ब्रिटेन की ही मातृभाषा थी. देख सकते हैं, ब्रिटेन की मातृभाषा थी. जब ब्रिटेन ने सारी दुनिया पे राज किया तो सारी दुनिया पे कम्युनिकेशन गैप को फिल करने के लिए आप देख सकते हैं, चाहे वो इंडिया हो, चाइना हो, जापान हो, जर्मनी हो, कनाडा हो, फ्रांस हो, अमेरिका हो, अफ्रीका हो, श्रीलंका हो, पाकिस्तान हो, हर जगह पे डोमिनेशन करके रखा. और जब डोमिनेशन करके रखा, वैसे तो पाकिस्तान बाद में बना, हर जगह पे डोमिनेशन करके रखा, और जब जरूरत पड़ी उसको रूल करने के लिए तो ऐसा किया. और उसके बाद जब सारे देश इंडिपेंडेंट होते चले गए तो ऑटोमेटिकली इंग्लिश जो है वो वहीं रह गई, और बाकी सारे देश जो है वो अपने अपने जगह पे चले आए, और इंग्लैंड यहाँ से छूट करके यहाँ चला आया. जब इंटरनेशनल ट्रेडिंग के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जब ग्लोबल कम्युनिकेशन शुरू हुआ, देन इंग्लिश वाज द कॉमन लैंग्वेज. English was known to Africa as well as China. English was known to Africa as well as India. English was known to India as well as Germany. That's why English became the global language, the language of the world. Is it clear to all of you? I think yes. Now, next one term will be discussed later. Have a nice day.